black. Black na ba? Ang nagtudlo siyang kauban. Kasi hawak na phone, doon yung dito naman tayo masasabi ng followers. Ang Facebook, ang Twitter, ang Instagram, nagkakagrinders, madawat din eh, madam. There we go. Oo nang makakuha niyo mo kung malulula sa lain, no? Ikaw mismo mapili. Nahaba din may Michael, may napili ka na ba? Right, so si Madam na naka-blue na dress, no? May hawak kay Kuya na naka-yellow, may eyeglasses, white na sandal, eh nagtanaw sa likod mo, ikaw ang pinadescribe. So dito na po tayo, pili ka ikaw mo doon sa bitin, na rumitin mo doon sa imo, ha? Regardless, you have to be keeping in our talaga sa dito na po tayo, ma'am. And let's have to be part of our show na po. So, alin na kadiri, there we go, perfect. Dito na po tayo, madam. Here we go. Behave po lang, behave po no? Tahay. Hindi. Dito po tayo, ma'am. Dito po tayo as well. Okay. Now, legal questions muna. Wala na tayong high blood anxiety. Pwede po same po tayo, ma'am. Okay, good. Wala tayong high blood anxiety. Pwede po same po tayo. Okay, very good. Now, introduce yourself po. Ma'am, what's your name and where are you from po? Hindi mo po ay mali ang ma'am. Welcome to Davao Croft Park in Zoo po. Now, ma'am, what's your name and where are you from po? Okay, mabuhay mali ang ma'am April. Welcome to Davao Croft Park in Zoo, ma'am April. Ming, ha? Ma'am Di, Ming, aw. Okay? Okay, sige mo, mawawa na ha? Okay, huwag pumunta. Mag-isya mong uniform, mag-bayanin. Hold the stick, hold the stick. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these are our Burmese pythons with a silent name of Python vivipatus. They are the fourth largest species of snake in the world, and they are considered as non-venomous. So if they bite you, you will not die. But if they are constricted or seen, they will crush every single bone in your body and swallow your whole life. Head first, so depending on your point of view. Ayan, di mo naman, nalingaw mo man siya sa kanya na lahat. Nasa ka. Now, ma'am, kamandila sabi ang Alexander Narina. Who are we with mo? Amin na ma'am, who are we with mo? Sino kasama natin, ma'am B? Co-workers, co-workers, hello, mga Maria co-workers. Please take lots of beautiful photos for her Facebook on Facebook. On Twitter, on Instagram, syempre, don't forget to tag us at Davao Croft Park and Zoo. Yes, ma'am, muli ko ginano kay Buhay Man, obviously. Question mo, ma'am, how do you feel kumusta ka, ma'am D? Says si ma'am D, okay, don't joke, even if you're afraid or not, these are very gentle giants and they mean you no harm at all. So if you see them out in the wild, it is best just leave them alone now. Okay, na siguro Kuya Michael, we can remove Ming from Ma'am B na. There we go. And thank you very much. Mabuhay Maria, we can return to our seat of office. Ma'am April. Ma'am April, hapit na mo man mo permission, Ma'am April. Sige mo man mo permission, please. Okay, isa ka mo na to, boyfriend. Okay, so na, okay. Paki-video, paliho ko please. Okay, video. Ano ba? Ganito ma'am? Ganito video eh. Last please. Last question na lang. What is the blood type of the snake? Ano blood type ng ahas? Gina. Ano gina makawapitin? Ano sabi na ng blood type? There we go. Fun fact, both these animals actually cold-blooded or ectothermic, meaning they need the sun, water, shade to thermoregulate the body temperature, sunlight, as humans now, warm-blooded or endothermic. Now, let's remove our snake na siguro may agutsi. Okay na si Mama April dito. We can return to our seat of phones. Let's see both of our guests. Thank you, round of applause for our gentle giants. Thank you so much to the both of you. So, here in Davao Croft Park, do we have a mission? Conservation.